So today we are going to continue our discussion of singular nouns and plural nouns. And when we talk about this, we always have to identify the nouns first. Singular nouns and plural nouns. So when we talk about words like mice, and instead we don't say meese, we say, when we go from the plural of mice, we go to mouse. And for a word like sheep, we don't change it to sheps or anything like that. We go from sheep to sheep, which is kind of confusing and it takes a lot of practice, but we'll get there. So what I want you to do is copy down on your whiteboards the sentence that I'm going to write, and then I want you to underline the nouns and then write above the nouns if it's singular or plural. So if it's plural, you're going to write PN above it for plural noun and SN above it for singular noun. So copy down this sentence when I have it written. So the mouse had 5 baby mice. And this goes along with our essential question this week, because we're talking about how animals are, or how offspring are like their parents. So this sentence goes along with our essential question for the week. When you think you have the answers, I want you to raise your boards in the air for me to check. Then we will go over them together. So underline the nouns and then write above SN for singular and PN for plural. Okay, so I'm going to underline the nouns. And we identified earlier that mouse is a singular noun, and mice is the plural noun. Good job, second graders. So I'm going to erase. And I want to talk about some nouns that I'm not quite sure how to make them plural. Moose and goose. So for moose, this is going to be a tricky one because moose, as we've talked about, stays as moose. A moose can be one moose or many moose. We don't say meese or mice because that would not make sense. But for goose, it does change. And even though it's spelled the same, we say many geese. Okay, great job today.